Hello everyone, we're going to be doing a teardown today of the Cami Research CableEye M3U. It's on the bench there. Cotty wants attention. She's like, give me attention. So, but I already did the teardown of the M2. That's the serial based one. I will link the blog post and video in the description for you if you want to go check that out. There's not much information on the web on these CableEyes. She really wants cookies. So I decided I made a Facebook user group. I will also link that in the description. And if you watch the unboxing video, y'all know I have jury duty. So I will make this video go live while I'm at jury duty. So maybe I'll get some likes. Maybe I'll get some comments. But I'm going to adjust this a little bit. Unplug it. Yeah, Cotty should have found me earlier. She should have came out of hiding. She got in another fight with George. She don't like George. George is the stray. So, okay, I'm going to adjust the camera here. So, get ready for some shakiness. I do these unboxings in one take. So, get it closer. Cotty's just going to rub against the camera. Okay. Cotty's. Can't do that. We're going to have to put you on the floor. Actually, go on your bench. Okay. Let's get this camera situated here. She's just going to keep jumping up. But it's okay. I will get the Cotty hair off. And now that I got experience opening up the M2, the M3 should open up pretty similar, I think. So let's see what the hell's inside this thing and compare it to the M2. Okay. This is a Cami M3U. So, got a star washer. Clip. Let me see if, gotta remind myself how I did this last one. Okay, that's how we did it. Only this one come off. Gotta pull, remember we gotta pull the button off. Gotta get a bag, because Cotty will try to swat at this. Little things like this she'll swat at, and they just go to the third dimension. They go to planet Vulcan. Okay. Let's grab a screwdriver. Okay, Cotty's. She's annoying. She's a good kitty. Let's see what's inside this one. See how different it is compared to the M2. Screws are tight. Yeah, these are cool testers. Okay. Then to get the board out, we had to do these two. And all the bottoms. Okay. And then the board lifts out with everything. That was right. Couple IDC connectors, blanks. And we have a star washer. Was that it on that one? Or did I have to take off all of them? Yeah, I gotta take off all of them. Oh, nope, so she's going for the screws. She's been going after screws lately. So let's see how different this one is. See if there's any secrets on the inside. Alright, I'm gonna have to give her cookies. She's just annoying. Here, you eat your cookies over there. Yes, we're... find its secrets. Yeah, these are... the M2 was really well designed. Looked like it was made to be, you know, repaired if it breaks. So... okay. There we are. This is the bottom plate. Here, let's turn this around. There we go. That's what's inside. Let's take a closer look at this. Yeah, I gotta move Cuddy. I'm gonna go put her outside. If she sits there and is quiet and good, that's all fine. Just getting everything all hairy. So I will post the blog information in the description, and you can go visit the blog. And you can get detailed photos. They might not be up by the time this video gets posted, but here we are. See if I can zoom in. What microcontroller are they using? Can't tell. I can't read it yet. Looks like that might be a programming header, maybe. Yeah, this is pretty similar, really. I don't see any secrets. Some of this test equipment, you open it up and you find out you just got to change a jumper or something, and you can expand the features. Precision resistor networks. It's kind of cool. I hope this video don't turn out blurry. Sometimes they do. I'm learning this. Let's see the back of it. Let me zoom back out. So there's really not much to these. Calibration terminals. 5-volt rear ref. It's got a reset. Wonder what that resets. Yeah, on the M2 it had jumpers. So, for configurations. Bottom. Nothing much going on the bottom. But there you have, guys. If you like this content, like, subscribe, and comment. The more comments I get, the better. The more likes I get, the better. And the more I'll do. So this was the teardown of the Cami Research M3U cable tester. We'll see y'all later.